Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can earn money through Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, the main thing you're going to be using to earn money through Skool is to create your own community, and what you're going to do is charge a subscription for it. As you can see, there are a ton of free communities on Skool. However, there are also some paid ones. For example, this one is $150 per month, so that is the main way that you can earn money. As you can see, this one is $70 per month, and most of them are free, but this one is $33 per month, and this one is $20. So yeah, you had enough examples, so let me show you guys how you can actually do that. Now for this, you're going to need to go ahead and click here and click create a community, which will require a payment. However, you will have a free trial for 14 days once you create your community, and after that it's $100 per month. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my own community, which I've created. I'm on a free trial as well. So what I'm going to show you guys is how you can set up a monetization process for this so that you can actually earn money. Once you're here, just go into the settings of your community, click on pricing, and here you can set up the subscription amount for your community. You can set up a 7-day free trial if you want. I do recommend it, since people will then go ahead, try it out, and be more likely to subscribe later. Now what you can do is click on add a price, and you will need to connect Stripe to Skool, which I won't be doing since I don't have a Stripe account. However, this is what is used to process your payments. Now, once you set that up and add a price to your community, you can set it up for whichever amount you like. You will then get payouts whenever people subscribe, and if you go into payouts, you'll see when your next payout is and how much you will be earning. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.